Welcome to Android Agent 47 certification program for Android hacking learners. If you're interested in learning how to hack Android phones, there's an online course that's perfect for beginners. The course is called Android Agent 47 and it will teach you everything you need to know about using hacker tools and scripts to probe the internal workings of your phone, all without having to crack its screen open. No computer programming skills are required, just a desire to learn to hack, and this course will take care of the rest. You'll learn about different types of attacks that can be performed against Android phones, as well as methods for performing each attack. You'll also learn how to install spyware on an Android phone in order to monitor what someone is doing with their device remotely. So if you're ready to learn how to hack Android phones like a pro, sign up for the Android Agent 47 course today. Learn the basics of hacking and security, and how to deploy and use Android exploits. Mobile hacking refers to the act of attacking a mobile device, most often a smartphone. This type of hacking is done for various reasons, including personal gain or to perform espionage. This course will teach you how to hack an Android phone or an iPhone, depending on your preference. You will learn about the different types of attacks that can be performed against Android phones and iPhones, as well as methods for performing each attack. You will also learn how to install spyware on both devices in order to monitor what someone is doing with their device remotely. Android is a mobile operating system developed by Google, created primarily for touchscreen mobile devices. With the help of this course, you will learn about different kinds of hacks that are possible on an Android device. The means to gain access to a device are limited only by your imagination. You just have to know.